Good morning, children. I am your maths faculty. My name is Srinivas. Okay, I will be teaching here maths for you. There are two parts will be there in maths, you know very well. One is 1A, other one is called 1B. Okay, 1A is taken by other madam. Now I am taking 1B. Okay, there are two maths portions will be there. 1B. Okay, 1B is called coordinate geometry part. It is all called coordinate geometry part. In 1A, it is a algebra and trigonometry is there. In 1B, it is a coordinate geometry as well as calculus. There will be two topics. One is coordinate geometry, other one is calculus. Okay, in 1B, we will be discussing chapter wise and what is the examination, how many questions will come. In examination, how many questions will come, how many questions will be there for that chapter. Each chapter I will be discussing, that you will understand. Okay, first chapter in 1B. Locus. What is the topic name? It is locus. Locus is the chapter name. Okay, this chapter is very simple chapter, and in final examination there will be only one question for 4 marks. One question will come for 4 marks. Okay, only one question will come for 4 marks. This is very important. Okay, now ikkada endante manaki chapter pair locus. How many marks will be there? 4 marks untayi sir. Only one question will come for final examination. Okay, now this chapter is based on distance formula and area of the triangle. There are two formulas. One is distance formula, second one is area of the triangle. Okay, distance formula answer root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And area of the triangle 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. You know these two formulas. Distance formula you know, area of the triangle. Okay, meeku rendu formulas telusa. Okay, distance formula, inkoti area of the triangle. Okay, ikkada what is the meaning of locus? A condition will be given. And based on the condition, you have to find the equation. Ante oka condition istar sir. Based on the condition, you have to formulate the equation. What is the formulas which you are going to use? Distance formula, area of the triangle. Ee rendit mere use chestam sir. Ee chapter anta ee rendu formulas e untayi sir. There is no other formula for this. First one is distance formula, next one is area of the triangle. What is the problems? How to based on the problems? A condition will be given. Based on that, you have to form the equation. Okay, please note down this. Okay, we will be discussing problems. Okay, first problem. Find the locus of point which is 5 units from 1, 3. What is the problem? Find the locus of point which is 5 units from 1, 3. Okay, solution children sir. How the solution? Let P is x comma y. What is the P point? X comma y. You assume this is A point sir. 1, 3. P point is x comma y. A point is 1, 3. Given PA is equal to how much? 5. What is the distance he has given? 5. So PA is. So data we have to write. ఏమి ఇచ్చారో అన్ని రాయాలి సార్. P point assume చేసుకుంటాం. A point ఇచ్చారు సార్. Given the condition. I told you condition is what? PA is equal to 5. Now, what is the PA distance formula? x2 minus x1. Always first x రాయాలి తర్వాత number రాయాలి సార్. Always we have to write x then the number. X minus 1 whole square. Always you have to assume this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1. Point ఎప్పుడు x1 y1 ఎప్పుడు వేరియబుల్ x2 y2 అనుకోవాలి సార్. సో x minus 1 whole square. Always you have to assume this is x2 y2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x1 y1. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Therefore, root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 5. Right? Square both the sides. SBS means squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. SBS means squaring both the sides. If you square x minus 1 whole square, y minus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. Okay. Expand this, sir. A minus b whole square formula, you know. What is A minus b whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. A square plus 2a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, formula x square minus 2x plus 1. Next, y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 25. Right? Now, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y 1 plus 9 10 is equal to 25. So, find x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 minus 25 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 6y minus 15 is equal to 0. 10 minus. So, condition point and condition. Okay. Second problem. Find the locus of point which is 8 units from minus 3 comma 5. Solution. Again, let P is x comma y, and what is the A point? Minus 3 comma 5, and what is the PA? 8. Similar to this. Then PA is equal to distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 is this, x1 is this. I told you always x2, this is x1. So, x minus of minus plus. You know very well x2 minus x1 whole square. So, x minus of minus plus y minus 5 whole square. Okay. Is equal to how much he has given? 8. Square both the sides. SBS I told you squaring both the sides. So, square root will go x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 8 square. So, x minus 3 whole square. Expand a plus b whole square formula, sir. A plus b whole square formula into x square plus 6x plus 9. Next one, y square minus 10y plus 25. X square plus 6x plus 9, y square minus 10y plus 25. So, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square is equal to how much? 64. I am writing the next step. X square plus y square, x square plus y square, then plus 6x minus 10y, 9 plus 25, 34 is equal to 64. Only simplifications are x square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y, 9 plus 25 and 34 is equal to 64. Bring this side. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 34 minus 64. What I am doing here, x square, bring the 34 this side, because 64 this side minus 64. Final answer is sir, x square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y minus 30 is equal to 0. Is the locus. Right? So, apply distance formula. So, first problem, a point is given, distance is given. Second round, the same concept, sir. Please note down this. Okay, one more problem. Third problem. Find the locus of point which is 10 units from minus 4 comma minus 5. Same concept, to make you understand, we are doing so many problems. Solution. Given point is minus 4 comma minus 5. Okay, first we'll start with let p is x comma y, a is minus 4 comma minus 5, pa is equal to how much? 10. Okay, now distance formula, pa is equal to root of x minus or minus plus x plus 4 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to 10. Again SBS means what? Square both the sides. So expand this x square, or we'll write one step, x plus 4 whole square y plus 5 whole square is equal to 10 square. Right? Now expand x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, applying a plus b whole square formula sir. A plus b whole square రెండింటికి ఇక 10 స్క్వేర్ రాయాలి. సో x square plus 8x plus 16 y square plus 10y plus 25 is equal to 100. Then x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y 16 plus 25 41 is equal to 100. So x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y plus 41 minus 100 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 59 is equal to 0. Right? So we are done distance formula. Okay, what I am going to give you some homework. What is the homework? A point is minus 2 comma minus 3, AP is equal to 4. Means P always consider here sir, x comma y. So AP is equal to 4. Second problem, A point is 1 comma 4, AP is 7. Third problem, A point is minus 6 comma minus 8, minus 6 comma 8, AP is equal to 6. Fourth problem, A point is 6 comma minus 8, AP is 7. Okay, please try this. Okay, మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది సార్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎలా యూస్ చేయాలో. ఆల్ దీస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆఫ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా ఓన్లీ. ఏపీ గివెన్. సో ఫస్ట్ రాయాల్సింది సార్ లెట్ పీ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ కామా వై, ఏ పాయింట్ రాయాలి సార్, ఏపీఏ కింద రాయాలి. యూస్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా, స్క్వేర్ బోర్డ్ ద సైజ్, సింప్లిఫై ఆల్ దిస్. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్ అండ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ మోడల్. ఓకే, దీంట్లో డిస్టెన్స్లో ఇంకో మోడల్ సార్. ఫైండ్ ద లోకస్ ఆఫ్ point which is equidistant from 1 comma 3, 3 comma 4. Now he has given 2 points ఇచ్చారు సార్ ఇప్పుడు. And condition, what is the condition? Equidistance. Solution, let P is x comma y, A point is 1 comma 3, B point is 3 comma 4. What is A point? 1 comma 3, B point is sir 3 comma 4. Given equidistance means what sir? PA is equal to PB. What is that he has given? PA is equal to PB. So put the distance formula, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Both distance formula. Again, squaring both the sides. SBS means, I told you many times, SBS and answer squaring both the sides. So once you square, that square root will go. So x minus 1 whole square, y minus 3 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square. Right? Now expand this, x square minus 2x plus 1, y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9, y square minus 8y plus 16. ఏం చేసాను సార్? a minus b whole square formula, ఇక్కడ కూడా a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే సేమ్. Now look at here, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to, ఇక్కడ కూడా x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 25. ఓకే నౌ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ అర్థం చేసుకోండి సార్. యూ హావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ ఆల్ ద టర్మ్స్ దిస్ సైడ్. ఐఎమ్ బ్రింగింగ్ ద టర్మ్స్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ minus 2x minus 6y plus 10. Now I am bringing the term this side, so it becomes minus x square minus y square minus 6x will become plus 6x. Okay, minus 8y will become plus 8y. Ante kada sir. So if you bring other side, the minus will become plus. So minus 6x will become plus 6x, minus 8y will become plus 8y, plus 25 will become minus 25. Is equal to 0. So x square will get cancelled, y square will get cancelled. Now simplification. Minus 2x plus 6x. 6x minus 2x, 4x. Minus 6y plus 8y. 8y minus 6y plus 2y. So minus 2x plus 6x. 6x minus 2x, 4x sir. Alage plus 8y minus 6y plus 2y. 10 minus 25. ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయి 10 ఉంది సార్, అక్కడ minus 25. సో వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ వి గెట్ minus 15 is equal to 0. సో అగైన్ PA is equal to PB, distance formula, then squaring both the sides, remove the square root, expand A minus B. A వస్తుంది సార్, A minus B వస్తే A minus B, A plus B వస్తే A plus B. Okay, so bring the term this side, so the cancellation will come. I will do one more problem. Okay, second problem. Again, find the locus of point which is equidistance from 1 comma minus 3 minus 2 comma 5. Okay, again same concept. Let P is x comma y, A is 1 comma minus 3, B is minus 2 comma 5. Given PA is equal to PB, PA is equal to PB, root of x minus 1 whole square, formula sir, x2 minus x1, so x minus 1 whole square, y plus 3 whole square, okay, put a square root, then x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So distance formulas are x2 minus x1. Every time we are applying that concept. Now squaring both the sides. So what will happen? X minus 1 whole square, y plus 3 whole square is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Expand. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి సార్, a minus b whole square, ఇక్కడ a plus b whole square. So x square minus 2x plus 1, y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4, here y square minus 10y plus 25. Right? So again expand sir, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Again transform the equations. Anta same procedure sir. Okay, just we'll write one step. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y, 1 plus 9, 10 is equal to, I'll write here also, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 10y, 4 plus 25, 29. Now bring the term this side, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 10. Okay, I am bringing the term this side. What sir? Minus x square minus y square minus 4x plus 10y minus 29 is equal to 0. Clear sir? The x square, if you bring minus x square minus y square plus 4x will become minus 4x, minus 10y will become plus 10y, plus 29 will become minus. Again x square y square cancel, final simplification. Minus 2x minus 4x, so it becomes minus 6x, minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x, 6y plus 10y plus 16y. Then 10 minus 29 minus 19. Numbers are minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x, 6y plus 10y, 16y, 10 minus 29 minus 19. Here minus sign na sir, so you have removed a minus sign. So what will happen? 6x minus 16y plus 19 is equal to 0 is the locus. So here PA is equal to PB, here also PA is equal to PB. So ఈ రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్. డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములాని అప్లై చేస్తాం. ఓకే, విల్ సీ ఫస్ట్ వీ హావ్ సీన్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ గివెన్, డిస్టెన్స్ ఈస్ గివెన్. సో వీ యూస్ ద PA ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ 5, 10, 8 ఏదో తీసుకున్నాం సార్. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వి డిస్టెన్స్, ఈ చాప్టర్ అంతా ఇదే సార్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈ లోకస్ అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా, ఈ రెండు అప్లై చేస్తాం సార్. ప్లీజ్ go through the solutions. Okay, once we are official classes, I mean face to face classes are there, we can discuss the doubts, clarification untai sir, but ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే కూడా మీరు చూసుకోండి సార్. ఓకే, విల్ కంటిన్యూ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.